Namaskara students, welcome to Azurite Classes. So this is the third class, right? This is the class 3 of our online classes, isn't it? So hope everyone is able to solve the questions, isn't it? So how is everyone feeling? Easy? Yes?
Yes,
The
sir.
classes are easy?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. The classes are easy, right? Okay, good. So fine. So now let us solve the
Yes,
next
sir.
set of questions now.
Sir,
Now
I didn't understand English.
I will explain the
Sir,
questions
sir.
after this solving. Okay, I will come to the doubts, don't worry. I will come to the doubts and I will once explain this, the remaining set of students will be solving, and then we will can easily cover it up. Okay, so see here, increase
Yes,
this by how much? This much. So increase this means that is you first minus it. First whatever this is the first, right, that we have to do first, and then you have to do next this one. This is the second one, right? So this is the second one you have to do, and then add them. By means plus, right? So that is the meaning. So here increase, so that is how much? First question here, 89,301 minus, first you have to do that one, right? So there first you do this one, and then you operate on the second one and add. By means plus. So here how much? That is minus is 13,287. So if you subtract, what will the answer here? Here it will be 4, here it will be 1, here it will be 0. Okay, so that is the answer. Now here it will be 6 and here it will be 7. So 76,014 will come answer, right? Now if you add, that is how much? By means plus. This is the second one. So this is the first one we did. Now second one we are doing here. This is the second one. So by how much? That is add it 90,182. So let us add them. This is the second one, this is the first one. Okay, so I am rounding it up, so it will be easy. So add it 6, 9, 1, then 6, and then here 16. So what answer will come? 1,66,196 answer will come for the first question. The same way what you have to do for second also, that is you subtract this first, and then second one you add it all. Okay now. So for the third question I will do. For the third question what you have to do? This you add. This is the addition. So don't, otherwise you follow the same. So first you add it, and then what you do? By means plus, increase by means plus it is. So you subtract this second one. Okay now. So here first one you add it, that is 93,041 plus how much? That is 13,287. You add it, and this is the first one. Second one what you do? That is 13,987 minus how much it is? 13,213, right? 13,213 you subtract from that. Okay, so whatever the answer come, those you have to add. 13,213 you add that. Whatever the answers come, you add those, both the answers. Okay, got it? And in the fourth answer also, that is this you subtract first, and then difference of means that is the minus. We have to minus these two and then add it. Okay na? So you do this. If any doubt you ask us, I will explain. Got it? So start solving now.
Sir, all the 4 questions.
So students, you do the fifth question homework. So now let's go to the next type of questions here. Okay, so if you see, next type of questions are, so which number is 10 more than 300? More means addition. Which number? They are just changing the type of question, right? Which number is more than 10 more than 300? That is 310 is 10 more than 300. So how did we get? You have to add it. So 10 plus how much? 300. You will get how much? 310. Easy. Just framing. It is just what? Framing the sentence. So which number is 10 more than 300 is? 310 is more, right? 10 more. So that is framing the question is little different. That's it. So this is addition. Okay, you have to do this. So all these will be homework. You do 4 questions. So first second, third, fourth. You do homework, classwork, and remaining will be homework. Okay, so you do homework, and the next set of questions is what? That is,
Sir, just we should add, sir.
yes, we have to add. Okay, okay, so you do till here. Fine,
Okay.
we'll do the remaining question next. Okay,
Okay,
so you
sir.
do till here, second onwards. Okay, so these will be remaining will be homework. You do now. So students, let's go to the next set of questions now. That is what? Okay, so which number is more by sum of 9801 and 1257 than 1000, that is 10,089. So what is the question? You have to understand first. Which number is more by sum of than this? Okay, so here we have to add, right? So directly, so sum of means these two you have to first find the sum. So 9801, sum of means these two we have to add, and 1257. So if you add, what will be the answer here? Yes, 11,058. Then this means that we have to add it to this. So that is 10,089 and then 11,058. You have to add them. That is 17, and then here it will be, yes, so 21,147 answer will come when you add these two. Understood? Yes.
Yes, sir.
So first sum of. So first you do sum of. Okay, so first step. Okay, now this then means that is we have to add more than this. So this is second one. Okay, now so this is the second one. You add it and then you add it with the first. Okay, so both you have to add it. Understood? Got it? That will be the answer for this question. So
Yes,
next,
sir.
if you see the next question, what is the next question? Which number is more by sum of this than this? Same question, you do it. So next, this will be classwork. So which number is more by the difference of this more than the sum of these two? So difference of means minus it. So what will be the answer if you minus these two numbers? 1738 minus 1378, that is 41. What your answer will come? So that is 390. How much? 7, right? 397 will come. And if you add sum of means this sum we have to take, sum difference means minus we have to do here. Okay, sum of means plus directly. So minus you do, you will get the answer this one. And then here if you add, what will be the answer? Yes, 2600. How much? 9, right? 2609 will come. So if you add these two, then which number is more? More means you have to add them. So you add them, that is 393 plus how much? 2609. So if you add them, what answer will come? Yes, 2999. Understood?
2000.
Yes. So same way this is classwork, you do that. Okay, so this is the classwork, you do it now. Understood? So write it down.
Sir, how many questions? Can you show?
2 classworks. Okay, do it. So here students, first question is very easy. So that is here, next concept, that is fill in the blanks. How much? So 100 plus how much will be 145? Yes, 100 plus 45 is 145. That is easy. So how do you find that 100? That how do you find that 45? You have to minus it. What you have to do? You have to minus it. Okay, na? Yes, we have to minus it. That is 145 minus 100. If you do, you will get 45 answer. So that is this 100. If you take that side, this plus will become minus. This plus will become what? Minus. Okay na? Yes.
Minus.
So here 150 plus how much is 350? 200 huh?
300.
200. 150 plus 200 is 350. Yes. So how do we do that? 350 minus how much? 200. If you do, you will get, that is 150. If you minus, you will get 200 answer. Isn't it? Okay. So then here we have to minus 150, then you will get 200 answer. Okay now? So like that you will do the questions. Will you do the questions? Anywhere, here also the same thing. If you take plus that side, it will become minus. This plus, if you take that side, it will become minus. Okay na? So same way. So this is, if you want to find, we have to minus 89,000, that is 8,97,310 minus how much we have to do? Tell me. 5,80,2 we have to minus. Isn't it? So if you minus, answer will come how much? Tell me. So here, that is 2 here, and then 2 here, and then 7 here, and then 9 here, 3. So 3,97,000 will come here. Okay na? So same both the ways we have to do the same. Here 3,97,228 answer will come. Okay na? So here this nothing means plus will be there in the starting. Nothing means what will be there? Plus. This plus, if you take that side, it will become what? Minus. It will become what? Minus. If you take that side, it will become minus. Understood? That we say it as transverse. Okay? Okay, good. So everyone solve these questions now. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Yes. So students, next questions here. Okay now. So here if you see next set of questions, what are those? 200 plus 20 plus 100, right? 20 plus 100, and then plus how much will be 145, right? So 20 plus 100 will be how much? We have to add these two. 120. It will be 120. So 120. Yes. 120 plus how much will be 145?
145
minus 145
So
minus
here
140.
minus, we have to do minus. So 145 minus how much? 120 will be 20 answer. Understood? Yes. So that is how we have to do this. Okay now? So it is very easy, right? Just we have to add these two numbers, and then you take that side, then you will get the answer. So if you add these two, that side it will, nothing means here what it will be there? Plus. This plus, it goes that side means minus we have to do. Okay now? Minus it, you will get the answer. So this is the first question, this is the second, and this is the third. I will do once again the third question. So 2970 plus 1356. If you add them, what answer will come? That is yes. So you add it and then minus this side. Okay na? Understood?
Sir, 5,950.
Okay, very good. So you completed. Okay na? Do it. So students, let us see the next set of questions, right? Let us see the next set of questions here. Okay. So if you see students, what is it? That is till 6th. I explained it once again. I will explain here. So here we did this one, right? That is this addition we did. So if you take that side, you have to minus it and you will get the answer. So remaining question you do homework. Okay now? So next set of question, that is this. These two you have to add and then take that side, you have to minus. So that is 100 plus 20 is 120. Then if you take that side, it will become minus. From 145 you have to minus it, it will become 20. Understood? So that is 145 minus 120. You will get 20 answer. So this here answer will come how much? That is 20 answer will come. The same second question. 35 plus 150 will be 185. If you take that side, it will become minus. So 350 minus 185. Answer will come 165. So here 165 we have to write it. So you do this type of questions and you will get the answer. Okay now? So remaining will be classwork, and then here it is solved. Okay, you practice them. Next here, so that is from the fourth question. So from the fourth question, how do we have to do? That is, these two we have to add. So that is 9862 plus 2360. We have to add first, and then take this side and minus this. That is 9782. We have to minus. You will get 2440. So answer will come here 2440 answer. Okay now. So this is 2440. Wait, I will come. Wait. Okay, so this is the answer. Now same way, fifth question also. These two we have to add first. So if you add these two, answer will come how much? That is 13,495. These two if you add. And then you have to minus this 5,672. Minus it means you will get 7,823 answer. Like that you do remaining questions. Okay, till 10. Okay now. So till 10 also you just have to add. 10th one, this you have to add, and then take this side means you have to subtract from this after the answer. Okay na? So you will get the answer in the this question mark. Okay, got it? So same way we just have to follow it up. Okay na? Will everyone do, students?
Yes, sir.
Okay, do it. So students, that is first question is, if you minus 120 you will get 25. Make it 25. Okay, so correct it, and any other correction you do it. Okay, so maybe some mistakes if we solve, then you correct it. Some more, one more question we corrected, you do it. ನಾನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ. ಓಕೆ, ಐ ಆಮ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನಿಂಗ್ ಸೆವೆಂತ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್. ಓಕೆ, so students, if you are feeling little doubtful, listen here. So what we have to do, once again I am telling. So here if you take seventh question, so you do the addition first. This is equal to symbol, right? Consider equal to symbol. After equal to symbol you have to send that side. This is 8,97,000. This is the 5,23,000. You add them both, you will get this 5,23,000 whatever. Then you have to send that to other side of equal to. Other side of equal to means it will become minus. That is this here. That is seventh question here. 8,97,000. This you have to minus it. Other side you have to send other side. This is plus. First you do plus. Then send it other side of equal to. This is equal to. Then send other side of equal to. That side. You minus it here. Understood? Got it? Okay, do it. So students, let's go to the next type of questions, that is fill in the blanks here. Okay, so how to do this one? So it is very easy, you already know. 150 minus 50, if you do 100, answer will come. But how to do this? This minus, if you take that side, it will become plus. Other side of equal to, what you have to do? You have to take other side of equal to. What answer will come? 100 plus 50, it will be 150 answer. You have to take other side of equal to like this, and then do it. Understood? So that is the first answer. Second answer, so if you add, if you take minus that side, it will become what? Other side of equal to, it will become plus.
300.
So 310 answer, correct. Next, if you add this minus will become plus. If you add them, you will get the answer. Okay, this is very easy. So do it now. Okay, so students, these are the answers. You can write it, note it down, and solve the remaining question as homework. Okay, this one only homework. Now let me do the next type of questions. So from 100, how much we have to minus? You will get 55, 45. Tell me. You have to minus 55, yeah? Then you will get 45, yeah? Yes, 100 minus 55 will come as 45. So how do we do that? Here, this subtract ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. This 100 we have to subtract, 45 you have to subtract from 100. So 100 minus how much? 45. What answer will come? 55 answer. Okay now? Yes, that answer will come. Okay now? Yes. So we have to minus it, you will get the answer. Okay now? Yes. What? Not visible? Is it visible now? That is next question, students. So 530 minus how much will be 350? 180 answer. Right? How to do? That is the second question here. Okay. So 530 minus how much we have to do? 350. If you minus 0 here, 30 minus 5 is 80. Okay. Then here 4 minus 1, 3 is 1. 180 answer will come. Like that you have to minus. Yes. Okay, good.
1151.
Okay, very good. You solve it now. So next that is the remaining 2 questions you do homework. Okay now? Okay, good.